Guys, it is hailing, and it's March, guys. It's hailing, and it's hailing with, like, there's chance of 1 or 2 inches of snow. I mean, rain. And I'm saying it's intense. Like, I haven't even seen rain in like 4 months. And, well, it's Iowa here, so it is not unusual. Because last year in the summer, I think we had a tornado. Or, well, it was high winds. It was green. That was probably 2016, but there was huge storms like through Iowa and Minnesota. It was intense. Like, I couldn't even believe it. Len and Jackie were like screaming and crying. It's raining. Oh my gosh, there's a tornado. But luckily, God saved us. So bye. Wow, how intense.